My dear students, in bcom second year, third semester, we have a sec paper which is known as Principles of Insurance, which is for 40 marks paper, my dear students. Most probably exam will be in college only. If you see the paper pattern, there will be 4 short answer questions. Out of that 4, you need to write any 2. Each one carries 5 marks, means 10 marks you are going to get. Then section B carries internal choice questions. Each one carries 15 marks. So the total will be like 40 marks, my dear students. My dear student, the taking of insurance begins with risk. Here what you have to do is you have to learn about what is the meaning of risk. The situation of facing uncertainty is said to be the risk. My dear students, every individual or every business will be having a lot of risk. Don't know what is going to happen, means we can't predict. In such a case, everyone has to give importance for risk management. The management of the risk is known as risk management. So there are many techniques of risk management, my dear students. One of them is like risk transfer, means the transferring of the risk when one individual is having. See, my dear students, I have a risk of death, or like a risk of injury or risk of illness. If those 3 things happens, if death comes, if I become ill, or if any disease happens, if any accident happens, my family members are going to suffer financially. In such a case, my dear students, what I am doing is I am transferring my risk to one insurance company. Means taking of insurance is said to be a risk transfer mechanism, where individuals and the business will practice this kind of risk transfer. My dear students, if you see, the oldest insurance is like fire insurance and marine insurance. Fire insurance provides some kinds of financial assistance. In case of fire, the stock and as well as the casualty, if anything happens, it is the insurance company which is going to pay certain amount as a compensation. Then in case of marine insurance, my dear students, when you are transporting the goods with the help of vessels in the sea, అంటే షిప్ ద్వారా ఏదైనా గూడ్స్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు, if any loss happens to the stock, goods or any vessel or anything, the insurance company is going to reimburse those kind of losses. My dear students, you know, there are 2 kinds of insurance, like life insurance and general insurance. Any insurance which is taken on the life of individual person is said to be life insurance, my dear students. People prefer to take life insurance because they have risk. We prefer to take general insurance because there is a choice of happening loss. For example, మనకు ఒక వెహికల్ ఉంది, వెహికల్ తాళం వేయకుండా బయట పెట్టామనుకోండి, అది థెఫ్ట్కి గురి కావచ్చు, దానివల్ల మనం ఫైనాన్షియల్గా లాస్ కావచ్చు. సో టు మిటిగేట్ ద లాస్ ఆర్ టు మినిమైజ్ ద లాస్ ఆర్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ద లాస్, టు రికవర్ ద లాస్, వీ ప్రిఫర్ టు టేక్ జనరల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, you know, it begins from risk and ends with the principles of insurance. My dear students, every insurance is based on certain principles. One of the important principle of insurance is insurable interest. You should have some kind of interest on the subject matter on which you want to take insurance. If you are owner of your vehicle, you can take a insurance on your vehicle. If you are owner of the shop, you can take a insurance on whatever stock that you possess in your shop. You can take a insurance on your life, my dear students, that is said to be insurable interest. What interest you have at the time of giving insurance, the insurance company will see. Then, my dear students, it is said to be a contract of indemnity. అంటే నష్టాన్ని పూర్తి చేస్తాము. If anything happens, it will create some kind of financial loss. those financial losses can be recovered from insurance. So it's called as an indemnity contract. The third one is like utmost good faith, my dear students. Like this, there are 7 principles. Utmost good faith says the insurer and the insured both will be clear that they should not hide any information at the time of taking insurance. అంటే ఒకరినొకరు మోసం చేసుకోవాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో కాకుండా ప్రతి సమాచారాన్ని తెలియచేయాల్సి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ సెట్ టు బి అట్మోస్ట్ గుడ్ ఫెయిత్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ విల్ బి దేర్. I'm sending you notes in my previous videos also I sent. You can follow my channel Venkat Presents Zonomy in YouTube, my dear students. Then coming to the point of reinsurance, my dear students, in India there are nearly 100 insurance companies. The sharing of the business between one insurance company and another insurance company is said to be reinsurance. Why people prefer to take reinsurance means, when not people, why one insurance company gets insurance from other insurance means, if any natural calamities happens, a lot of amount we need to pay to the policy holders. To minimize the loss, though ours is an insurance company, we take insurance from other insurance company, so that whatever the claims that which we have to pay, a part will be paid by other insurance companies. In India, my dear students, LIC of India is said to be the largest insurance company, which was established in the year 1956. Then IRDA is said to be the regulatory authority, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. It will regulate the business of insurance and it will also promote the business of insurance, my dear students. My dear students, you should know about insurance intermediaries. So no one in India, in most of the cases, they won't prefer to take insurance. Unless one agent come to you and he says what kind of risk and what kind of benefits that you have by taking insurance. When you are motivated by taking insurance, then only you prefer to take, my dear students. My dear students, I am giving you important questions because of time constraint also. So I conclude my class here. A lot to say on insurance, not at a time. And my dear students, before I conclude, what is insurance premium? One should know the amount paid by the policy holder regularly to the insurance company for taking the insurance is said to be insurance premium. And what are the rider benefits? Means the rider means the additional benefits which you are going to get by paying some extra premium. Thank you, my dear students. I am concluding my class here.